Hi there guys, welcome back. I know you will get frustrated by hearing that you cannot actually add a clickable link in your Instagram post. So what can I do? It's very simple. You go to the Instagram, go to your story, and then post the find the photo that you want to post, like this photo. You want to post your Instagram feed, and rather than that you can post it on your story like this, and then just a simple work. You need to go to the sticker and search for link, and here is the link sticker. So you need to go to that and then paste the link right over here, then tap on done, and you get the link, clickable link in the Instagram story rather than the post, because you cannot actually add a clickable link on Instagram post. The Instagram doesn't have the feature, so I'm very sorry about that. I don't know why they are not adding the feature. So this is the truth. You will not get any kind of truth in other videos, but I have tell you exactly what is the reason why you cannot post a clickable link on Instagram, because Instagram doesn't have this feature. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.